Hello everyone, I'm here at Holy Trinity Church, as you can see behind me, Shakespeare's church, sitting on a bench right alongside the River Avon. Here in Stratford on Avon, there's the river, I think you can see it. And I'm so excited to be bringing you a very special program supported and produced by my dear friend One Divine and the Mothership Alliance. So tomorrow night, 11 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time, I will be meeting you all and giving a masterclass, as it were, in the very system of manifesting that I've used pretty much all my life since I started out on this wonderful journey. So very excited to see you all there tomorrow. Please tune in. See you soon.